All right, fam. So there are a few things coming up from Big Red, but shout out to Llama Llama for what might be one of the best glitches in a while. You are going to need to use a private browser, whatever. What works for me is Chrome, Google Chrome. They have an incognito mode for nefarious purposes. But we're just going to use this for shopping here. This is not one of those kinds of videos. And yes, $81 for the inflator M12 kit. Ridiculous, I know. What you need to do is you need to go and, if not incognito mode with Google Chrome, find some other private browsing method. But you need this, and you're going to change your store to 8557 and then just search for the inflator. It should pop right up, as well as the M12 vacuum, which we'll pull up right now. So you're going to see some of this in the vac for 99 bucks. That's regular price, but what's really nice is you can get it with a 6.0 for 129, and this is the only way to consistently get this to work here. And sorry for the slow typing and searching. I don't normally like to do things this way, but the only way to get the BOGO kit down to $349 right now is using this method consistently. You'll bring it down to $349. Go ahead and get on in there, and you get to choose your BOGO tool. Let's say, I don't know, the jigsaw, right? It's the most expensive tool on the list, along with the router as well. It brings that M18 fuel combo kit down to $220, $226, shipped to your house. I don't think that's an all-time low, but damn it, that's a pretty damn good price. So, again, shout out to Llama Llama for that. This next one comes courtesy of Eugene, the DeWalt Holiday Knee Slapping Combo Kit. The 3-tool that came with the circ saw and a flex volt battery. Let's see if this works here. This one. Okay, you guys see that price, $5.99? Now, granted, if you do this, I don't think you'll be able to get those 2 free tools that come with it. I think it's 2, or is it 3? I don't remember. I believe it's 3, because I remember each one being $100 each for $600. Anyway, if you guys can get them to honor that promo, given that these promos expire on the 31st, which is today, so you can just waltz into the store and say, hey, bro, you owe me 3 free tools. Nevertheless, go up here, punch in store number 1055, select good old wacky Newhall. Y'all remember that store. Punch that in there, and it drops the price down to $3.99. Not bad at all. And yes, 1,446 available for delivery. So I will leave links to all of these items in the description down below. Again, the only way I can get these consistently to glitch for me is using that incognito mode on Google Chrome. So that's going to do it for this one. Have at it, fam. Good luck.